A Himalayan dipper. This female is hunting for aquatic insects to feed her hungry chick. Even though he's just a few days old, he's already a whopper with an appetite to match. When close by, they easily call to each other. But to hunt for food, Mum must travel far along the river, and that makes keeping in touch much harder, especially if your chick is a little clumsy. He's swallowed up by the torrent and washed downstream. When Mum returns, her chick is nowhere to be seen. So she produces a high-pitched call. It's their own communication channel that cuts above the background din. So her chick can still hear her. High-pitched sounds are easier to locate, so from his call alone, Mum can track him down. And the pair are reunited. But for Mum, there's no time to rest.